Hi friends, if after turning on your laptop or computer and it is showing reboot and select proper boot device error, so what causes this problem and how to fix it? Don't worry, your problem will be definitely solved by watching this video completely. And if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So let's start the video. In this video I will show you 3 steps applying which will solve your problem. So first step, there is a hard disk inside the CPU or laptop. It also has a SATA cable and power cable. It is to be checked. Many times this error occurs due to loose connection. So here I am disconnecting the SATA cable and reconnecting. So here I again connected cable. Now turn on the CPU and let's see if this problem is fixed or not. And here again this error is showing, which means after trying this step our problem has not been fixed. If it get fixed after this step, then it is fine. Otherwise I'll show you how to fix this problem in the second step. After that you have to open BIOS in the system. To open BIOS in your computer or laptop, you will have to restart the system. Press this key, Ctrl Alt Del button, system will be restart. So here the system has restarted, and after that you have to press Del and F12 button. After pressing F12 and Del button, a pop-up like this appears. Here you have to select hard disk, due to which the hard disk is not selected for a long time. This error appears. So look here, which is the Windows boot manager. After bringing it, have to enter. After entering, see the system is starting. No error is showing right now. If setting is BIOS is not fixing, then installing Windows will fix the problem definitely. How to install Windows? Watch this video I given in I button. Thank you so much.